Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We all experience how days or moments can pass by. Tumatakbo at lumilipas ang isang araw, ang isang panahon na ang madaming mga pagkakataon. Kahit ba sabi nga po ramdam natin na tila napakahaba ho ng January. No? January 48 na daw ho ngayon. No? Bukas pa lang matatapos ang January, no? But we face that fact, no? Days are changing, days are counting ahead, tumatanda at dumadagdag ang ating mga edad sa buhay na ito. And I know we share one resolve that as these days are going by or passing by, we all want that we do something well and good. Ayaw naman ho nating mapako tayo na lumilipas ang mga araw pero wala tayong magandang nagagawa. Yes, days are passing, but the question if we have done something bad or good, that can be a good basis. And the readings today in our first reading in the Gospel would show that switch and motion of days. But again, the question if something good or bad happened lies behind the experience of days passing by. A moment passed by for David, but then he had relations with Bathsheba. A day passed by, but then David expressed carelessness to his kingship, to his cooperators, for example, with Uriah. A day passed by in the life of David, but then he had bad intentions to put Uriah in front of the battle and have him killed. Lumipas ang madaming araw, marahil wala siyang nagawang tama. But then, in the parable of Jesus today, the seed, the man scattered the seed over the land. And once more, nights and days passed by, then the seed came out with its growth and its fruits. Lumipas ang mga araw, nagkaroon ng magagandang bunga ang mga butil na ito. Days and moments will be passing by, my dear friends. But let us see how growth and good decisions can also come out from our lives. Mahirap na lumipas ang isang araw, wala tayong naging magandang desisyon. Lumipas ang isang araw, marahil nasabi natin, nako, wala na naman ako magandang nagawa. Nanchismis na naman ako. May sinabi na naman akong masama. Meron na naman akong kinimkim na galit. But let us also see how, as day goes by, we see in ourselves, nakita ko ngayon na I was able to discern something properly. After this day, I was able to at least make amends with my friends or with someone. After this day, I was able to tie up connections once more, to build the rapport once more, to be loving and caring with others once more. Days and moments are passing by. Let us not be content that something has passed by, but we haven't done something beautiful. Days will be unfolding, but let us embrace those moments for us to grow better and to extend beautiful and loving things to one another.